So this is the mask that I've been holding off using for ages because I wanted to show you guys how it kind of works. Full bottle of serum is supposed to be in this area here. And then this part is where the mask is, and the mask is totally dry. And you're apparently supposed to mix it. I don't know if this is like a gimmicky thing. Does mixing it fresh actually make a difference? Who knows? So let's figure out how to get this into here. All right, the instructions are weird. So you're supposed to fold it and then fold it and then squeeze it and then unfold it. Is that right? Oh, I'm scared. Is that all I do? Fold, how? How do I fold that way? And now what? Squeeze? Well, I don't think I did this right. I'm squeezing. Nah, wait, is it happening? Oh, hey, it worked. Unintended ASMR. Is that what it's called? I don't know. So that was kind of fun. I don't know if it's gimmicky, but it was kind of fun. Doesn't look that appealing. It looked really appealing earlier and now not so much. So I've just opened it. It smells really, really good. I wish they'd invent smell-o-vision so you guys could smell this. Oh, it is drenched in that stuff. That's awesome. All right, I'm just gonna give my face a quick cleanse actually, and I'll be right back. My skin is probably the worst it's been in about 3 years. It's real bad. I've just been under so much stress. My face is like, what is happening? My background looks really boring. Hold on, a little bit better. There's lights there. Mask time. There's actually a little bit in there that I think you could put on like a cotton pad and like run everywhere else. How cute does Emily look? The place where I got my Invisalign is giving away free Invisalign. He has a pumpkin. So it's the next day. When I first removed the mask, it felt really moisturized, but then it kind of got sticky. And you're supposed to remove the excess with a cotton pad. And I put it basically all over my body. Like I used the rest of the mask and just rubbed it all over. And it felt great for a while, and then it just got a little bit too sticky. So I decided to take a shower. So I really only had the mask and then kind of the residue of the mask on for like 40 minutes, and then I took a shower. So I did end up rinsing off a lot of the residue. One thing I would say though, my skin on my hands, my body and everything felt amazing. But I don't think that my face really looks any different. I don't think it looks brighter. I don't think it looks more plump. I don't think it looks better. And I'm kind of disappointed because I was really excited to use this mask. It was super fun. Do the whole thing. It was really, really awesome. If you're gonna have a mask night with your friends, get a bunch of these. But if you do actually want to maybe see more of a difference, I don't know if this is the mask for you. I hate giving bad reviews. I absolutely hate it. On the back of the packet, it says you should do 3 applications a week, and then after 4 weeks, you should notice a firmer and more elastic finish. But that was only done on 83 women. That's not that many. I feel like maybe getting a bunch of these masks, doing 3 applications in a week for 4 weeks, and seeing if this actually works or not. So far though, my skin I don't think feels plumper, and it certainly doesn't feel smoother. Certain areas maybe it just didn't suit my skin. Maybe my skin is just too bad to absorb anything at the moment. I am making excuses because I hate giving bad reviews. Have you tried this mask? Did it work for you? Is there any other mask that you'd like to recommend? Definitely let me know in the comment section. Check out the other videos on the screen, and I will see you guys on Saturday this time. Usually Friday. Gonna be Saturday. Oh, I'll see you at the beauty show at the weekend. Okay, bye bye, bye bye. Where's my remote? I don't know. Bye.